Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. I hope all you Shinjas are pumped up. Smash the like button. Load it up with comments down below if you're pumped about all these new tokens that are constantly just lining up to get listed on their DojoSwap. We are also 2 days away from the Dubai Expo right now. So 2 days away, and we got all these tokens ready to get listed on our DojoSwap. So I'm getting kind of antsy. I hope that you guys are too, in a positive way, right? Because this is right on the edge of what we got going on. We know that the Dubai Expo is 2 days away. We got all these tokens lining up. Check out the video I did on Floki. I covered this one a while back. Floki was one of the first ones that were interested in getting on the DojoSwap. So shout out to Floki Musk for definitely getting tapped in with us early on the DojoSwap. And check out the video that I dropped with them. I have it on one of the tabs or whatnot. But I want you guys to come over here, like and retweet everything. This is a video just to keep everybody pumped up, you know, keep our foot on the gas with what we got going on over here at Shibnobi and with the DojoSwap 2 days away from the Dubai Expo. Okay, so continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.